we teamed up with Anna Jones and CoppaFeel, a breast cancer awareness charity, to bring you some videos. Here's Anna's coconut curry cauliflower.
Hi guys, welcome to BOSH TV. I'm Anna Jones and I'm here with the BOSH boys.
Henry today is going to be cooking a wonderful recipe from Anna's wonderful cookbook, The Modern Cook's Year.
I can't wait. I'm cooking the curry coconut cauliflower. It looks delicious. It's going to be quick and easy. So let's get cracking. So first up, we're going to take this cauliflower and we're going to blanch it in boiling water for about 5 to 6 minutes. The coring of that is going to make sure the heat gets into the cauliflower and softens all the way through. We're then going to drain the water away and leave it in the pan just steaming for another 10 minutes. So now the cauliflower is nice and soft. I'm going to use the same pan. It's a nice wide, deep pan and it's also oven proof. That's a really important point because we're going to be placing this in the oven later. So now that coconut oil is nicely melted, I'm going to go in with my turmeric and my mustard seeds and just let them sizzle and pop. And then to those spices, we're going to add the aromatics. We've got ginger, we've got garlic, and we've got a whole load of chilies. Feel free to temper down the chilies if you don't like it too hot, but we like things hot in the BOSH kitchen. That just looks amazing. And this kitchen is filled with gorgeous aromas. Next up, really simple, we're just going to pop in our 2 cauliflowers. They sit there perfectly. Drizzle over some of that lovely curry sauce over the top of the cauliflowers just to make sure they're well covered. We're then going to just put some potatoes around the outside of those cauliflowers, slice 2 lemons in half and just drop those into the pan. This recipe was meant to be quick, was meant to be easy, so that's it. Now we're going to take the whole pan, pop it in the oven for about 40 to 45 minutes. That cauliflower is going to be ready when it's soft to cut through and just a little bit black on top. This looks perfect. Cut it into quarters and then serve it onto a plate. Surround it with all those potatoes that have soaked up all of that gorgeous flavor. Add some yogurt on top, coconut yogurt of course, and garnish with chopped nuts and coriander. So there you have it guys, the coconut curry cauliflower from Anna Jones.
Bit of a mouthful though, isn't it?
It is a mouthful, it looks like a mouthful. And this is from your cookbook.
It is, this little number right here.
The Modern Cook's Year.
Oh my goodness gracious me, that is so tasty. It's one pot, it's bish bash bosh, that's our favourite kind of food. Anna, you're a genius.
Oh, thanks for having me
Well
guys.
done.
I'm so glad you like it.
So there you have it. Let us know what you thought in the comments, and if you hit like, we'd be massively appreciative.
Yeah.
And do subscribe to bosh.tv because there's going to be loads more content exactly like this in the coming weeks.